In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete a bank account in Xero step by step. Whether you've closed a bank account, added the wrong one by mistake, or you're just cleaning up your chart of accounts, I'll walk you through the correct way to remove or archive it safely. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. And if this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Xero tutorials just like this one. All right, let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the top menu bar. You'll see several options, including Dashboard, Business, Accounting, and others. Go ahead and click on Accounting. This will open a drop-down menu with different accounting features. From that drop-down, select Chart of Accounts. This is where all of your accounts are listed, including bank accounts, credit cards, assets, liabilities, income, and expense accounts. The chart of accounts is essentially the backbone of your Xero accounting system, so this is where we manage and control individual accounts. Once you're inside the chart of accounts, you'll see a full list of accounts. To make things easier, you can use the search bar to type the name of the bank account you want to delete. This saves time, especially if you have a long list of accounts. Now, here's something very important to understand. In Xero, you typically cannot permanently delete a bank account if it has transactions connected to it. Instead, Xero allows you to archive the account. Archiving removes it from active use but keeps historical data intact for reporting purposes. This is the recommended and safest method. Find the bank account you want to remove. Once you locate it, select the checkbox next to that bank account. After selecting it, look for the option that says Archive. Click on Archive to deactivate the bank account. If the account has no transactions and meets Xero's conditions for deletion, you may also see an option to delete instead of archive. If that option is available and you're sure you want to permanently remove it, you can click Delete. However, in most real-world cases, archiving is the correct choice because it preserves your financial history. After you confirm the archive or delete action, the bank account will no longer appear as an active account in your chart of accounts. If you archived it, you can still view it later by switching your chart of accounts view to show archived accounts. And that's it. That's exactly how to delete or archive a bank account in Xero quickly and safely. Just to recap, go to Accounting at the top, click Chart of Accounts, find the bank account, select it, and then choose Archive or Delete depending on what Xero allows. Always make sure you understand whether there are transactions tied to the account before removing it. If this video helped you understand how to delete a bank account in Xero, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Xero tutorials in 2026 and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.